can use this image as a guide on how to put together your very own Olympic poster. You can access hidden bonus material by unlocking the QR codes embedded in the graphics. It's simple, just follow the steps. Think of QR codes as access passes to additional online content. To unlock them, all you need is a smartphone and the software. After downloading the QR reader, point the camera of your device at the QR code you'd like to unlock. The software will indicate when you should press the exposure button. The QR reader will automatically open the corresponding web page, giving you exclusive access to Special Olympics 2012 content. Each small QR code will take you to the specific event details, while the larger code will take you to Special 2012 Olympics coverage page.